Unit 1, Target 7. I can measure lengths to the nearest eighth of an inch and tenth of a centimeter. If I have my ruler on this side, this is broken down into eighths because if I start from 0 and go to 1, I can count 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8 is at the 1. So this is broken up into the nearest eighth of an inch. If I was measuring something from this point and I stopped right there, I know this measurement would be 2 because I go past the 2 inches. And how far past? I would say this is 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. I'm 3/8 past that inch, so that measurement is 2 3/8 of an inch. Another example. Say I measure something and it stops right there. This one, we go past the 3, so my whole number is 3, and then I count past it 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8. This is 3 6/8 of an inch. However, we talked about since this is a longer line than this one is, that fraction could be reduced. We could look at our ant rulers, and above 6/8 we see 3/4. So instead of saying 3 6/8, I could say 3 3/4 of an inch, and that means the same thing. The other part of this target talks about measuring to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. If we turn our ruler over, all these little lines are millimeters, and then we've got 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, and so on. When we talk about the metric system, we use decimals instead of fractions. So if we were measuring an object that went to this point right there, we would say that is 3, and we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines past the 3. So that is 3 6/10, which we would just write as 3.6, and that is in centimeters. One more example. Let's say we stopped right here. This would be 6, and we are 1, 2 lines past, so this is 6 2/10, or 6.2 centimeters.